Hey, so on this video, we're just going to show you the Manage Items section. So this is pretty easy to use. So this is about all the wedding day items that you are bringing up. So it gives you the opportunity to create a list so you're not forgetting anything. And we can always tick it off then when it arrives or say that it hasn't arrived. So to do that, click on the Actions button, add new item, put the name and instructions in. So we're just going to say, for example, centerpieces for each table, and then click Save, and it will show up there as a list. So you can do that for each of your wedding day items, and it gives you a handy list to be able to keep on top of everything. Again, if you need to return to your home page, you just click on the Sonas button at the top.